Hi YouTubers, Terry here. I wanted to show you some Valentine's favors I've been working on. I had gotten these plastic tubes for free on our local Buy Nothing Facebook group. They were gifted to me, and they had gumballs in them previously, and I didn't. I gifted those to somebody else, and I put M&Ms in here and kept the tags that were on them because there's a heart on them. I put some baker's twine on them, and these are ready to gift. And then the second thing I made are these suckers that I got at Dollar Tree, I think, I'm pretty sure. And then I just made the little envelope, and I'll show you how I did that. This is not my idea. I saw it somewhere. I don't know. But I used this Lucky in Love paper pad. It's almost gone. So it's nice to use that up. And I used some of these Pebbles glitter heart stickers on them. And I used some Dollar Tree on some of them, the heart gem, and then all the ribbon on them is the Dollar Tree ribbon. And I just punched a hole in the very bottom, if you can see that, for the sticker, sucker stick to go through, and that worked really smoothly. And then I just tied the ribbon on really tight so it kind of holds it in place. I thought they turned out really cute. I wanted to show you how these are made because they were super fast and easy and no glue, and they stay together. I did, for the suckers, I did a 4-inch square, and I did round the edges of the top and the bottom, and then you just you fold the triangle in half that way, and then you fold down one of the sides there, just down to the center. So it was 2 3/4. I just did a little mark on the ones I did. And then you just lift that flap back up, and then you fold this over to the line there. And then you fold the other side over to the line there. And then you close this down. And once you, sorry, I'm trying to do it one-handed. Once you fold it down, it holds those flaps in place. So it's a no glue kind of thing. And this can be used for all sorts of things. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on what you want to stick in there. A little mint or something would be good, or a little Hershey nugget or something. These are just really quick and easy, but kind of dress things up. And then I like to put something like right there. But anyway, so there is my little Valentine favors. They're all maybe a little bit different. And I just wanted to share those with you. So thank you for watching. Bye now.